Welcome to Starlink. Today we're over in a place called Tarleton. This is a charity that basically sends stuff over to Ukraine, and we've got all these buildings here that we need to come back and connect a Cat6 cable between each one. Now this charity buys ambulances, and what they do, they send them over to Ukraine, and we've installed a Starlink halfway down this building and run the router into an office up here. So we've gone into a big beam behind there. The Starlink sits on the top, and we've got a nice pole pipe adapter on this one. We're getting 320 megabits a second, and we've got upload speeds of about 27. They've only ever been used to getting 6 megabits, and they can't upload stuff because they need to for videos, because it's a charity. So this is Starlink over in Tarleton on a lovely blue day.